Techie Gamer. Today we're going to be looking at the new Lightning to USB cable from Apple. Now, it's not really an unboxing because you don't unbox cables, but just like how they seem to be talking about how like they're changing everything and stuff. So yeah, so just don't judge me. It's a nice box. It's okay. It's a meter. $25 for a cable. And I'm just gonna show you the 1-year limited warranty for your cables. Okay. I have a micro USB cable and the new Lightning. Just look at that. What? They just gotta, like everyone has a micro USB lying somewhere. Like, got a new speaker or something. It's like that's micro USB, and it's like everything. They changing like their Lightning cable. Like if you got like accessories for like your 4S, that like your battery case or whatever, or like your dock, or it's useless, and you have to buy another dock that's $80 and. Yeah, so yeah, so just like literally